There's a dirty little secret about all these hosting companies. Not all of them are reliable and strong. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at top 10 hosting companies. We'll go over the pros and cons of each single hosting company, and in the end of this video, you will understand which company is suitable for your own needs. Also, in the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you information about special discounted prices to our recommended hosting companies. So, let's get started. The winner is BlueHost. BlueHost was founded in 2003 and has since become one of the world's largest, reliable, and low-cost web hosting providers. BlueHost supports more than 2 million websites worldwide and is an established brand in low-cost web hosting. By doing a large volume of business, they can offer fantastic discounts, and in addition to offering a full range of web hosting services, BlueHost provides marketing training, SEO services, social media marketing, content creation, graphic design services, email, domain names, and local business listings to increase traffic. So the pros are BlueHost hosts more than 2 million sites worldwide, so the company is doing something right for sure. It offers a wide range of web hosting options. Easily upgrade your plan to a VPS or dedicated server without moving your site, offers free anti-spam solutions built right into cPanel, provides you with an integrated support for Cloudflare. Several security features include unique IP addresses, SSL, and site lock protection. Provides a 30-day money-back guarantee for all of its hosting plans and has 99% uptime guarantee. Cons are: it does not offer monthly shared hosting options, charges a small fee for transferring your site from another hosting company. BlueHost only offers servers for Linux. Hosting for Windows is not available, and you must make your daily backups for complete security. Next one is Hostinger. Hostinger is known for its low-cost shared cloud and VPS hosting plans. Their project included a 30-day money-back guarantee and a free website builder. Hostinger provides free SSL certificates for all programs except the entry-level single shared hosting plan. Many hosting companies charge extra for SSL certificates. So the pros are full knowledge base, convenient control panel, competitive pricing, multiple data centers, great customization, free nightly backups, 30-day money-back guarantee, and free SSL and domain name in the entry-level plan. Cons are unstable site speed, exceptions for refunds, and a little bit limited support. The next one is GreenGigs. GreenGigs bills itself as an eco-friendly web hosting service. It was started by experts with plenty of experience in the industry, and it offers unlimited bandwidth and an impressive 99.99% uptime. Plans starts at $2.95 a month for Lite, which includes one website, 50 gigabytes of storage, a free domain name for the first year, and a free wildcard SSL. The Lite plan is for customers who are just getting started with web hosting. GreenGigs provides 24/7 support via chat, phone, or email, and users can also access an online knowledge base to get answers to FAQ. The service provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, and customers can opt for shared, dedicated, reseller, WordPress, or VPS hosting. So the pros are excellent uptime, fast speeds, eco-friendly. Cons are higher pricing for renewals, refunds might be less than expected. The next one is Network Solutions. It was founded in 1979 as a technology consulting company specializing in programming service using the IBM environment. Since then, they have evolved with the high-tech industry. Network Solutions offers a suite of products including domain name registration, web development, web hosting, secure locket certificates, custom email solutions, and online marketing. Network Solutions offers a variety of web hosting packages to meet all your needs, including shared, virtual private server, and WordPress. So the pros are good general WordPress and e-commerce plans, helpful customer support, includes website builder software, it has reliable uptime. Cons are a little bit clunky interface, service add-ons add up quickly, lack of dedicated and VPS servers, and no Windows server settings. The next one is HOS Gator. HOS Gator has been around for over a decade and is one of the most reliable and recognized web hosts. It excels in customer support, hosting flexibility, uptime, shared hosting, and more, because HOS Gator gives you an easy way to create and manage your website, gives you all the resources you need to provide a high level of service on your site, offers several feature-rich hosting packages, and provides a great experience. It can be the perfect web hosting service for anyone who has a website. So the pros are: HOS Gator offers several benefits, including reliable uptime and fast response times, affordable hosting plans, plenty of room to grow, no bandwidth, disk space, or email restrictions, reliable security, free website builder, excellent control panel with lots of features, cloud hosting option, flexible email management, and free public or private SSL certificate on all hosting packages. Generous 45-day money-back guarantee that gives customers peace of mind. Cons: you only have to deal with weekly backups, slow customer response times, and advanced cPanel that takes some time to get used to, and no one to stop importing WordPress. Next one is InMotion. InMotion is a popular US-based web hosting provider with a plan for just about everyone. Shared hosting, WordPress and bulk grid-based graphical website creator, managed WordPress, managed and cloud VPS, reseller plans, organized and bare metal dedicated servers, high-end enterprise products, and the list goes on. So the pros are: generous 90-day money-back guarantee, wide range of services including shared, VPS, dedicated, reseller, and managed WordPress hosting, reliable uptime, all plans include SSD servers and unlimited emails, secure hosting solutions, free website migration and backups, comprehensive US customer support, impressive knowledge base, cPanel is included in the control panel so you don't have to worry about multiple logins and passwords. Cons are: priority support is only available on higher plans, account activation is not instantaneous, and there's no support for Windows-based servers. Next one is HostPapa. HostPapa sets itself apart from other web hosts with low-cost hosting for startups and small businesses. Founded more than a decade ago, HostPapa has grown considerably since then, and while they're not without their flaws, they have a reputation for sustainability, exceptional customer service, and a suite of tools perfect for aspiring business owners. HostPapa offers affordable web hosting plans for beginners and small business sites with programs that include a free domain name, unlimited bandwidth and disk space, and free SSL and Cloudflare CDN. So the pros are: 30-day money-back guarantee, free domain name, unlimited disk space and data transfer, free Papa Squad site migration service, fast servers, free SSL and Cloudflare CDN. Papa Squad supports service is available 24/7. Cons are: high renewal prices and automatic site backups are only included with the Business Pro plan. Next one is GoDaddy. GoDaddy manages more than 82 million domains and is the world's leading domain registrar and one of the most popular hosting providers. GoDaddy offers plans for all hosting customers, from bloggers who need basic low-cost shared hosting to companies who need high-pressure dedicated servers capable of handling high traffic volumes. They also provide excellent customer support options. The only downside is that while GoDaddy shared hosting and WordPress plans are affordable, other providers offer lower prices. So the pros are: wide range of hosting plans, 1 year of Microsoft 365 email is free with all shared hosting plans, 24/7 phone and chat support, quality video guides. Cons are: affordable but cheaper plans are available elsewhere. Next one is WP Engine. This platform created specifically for hosting WordPress. It offers a variety of site creation and management tools for flexibility. To ensure productivity, WP Engine provides cloud hosting and numerous security solutions. Its goal is to provide you with a complete digital WordPress experience and all the tools you need to grow your business. The platform uses more than 30 open source technologies to help accelerate the pace of development and innovation. WP Engine was founded in 2010 in Austin, Texas. The company's primary goal was to enable people to take advantage of innovation and have a better digital experience. The provider intends to do this right as they inspire customers, justify trust, and get better as a team. So the pros are 1-day money-back guarantee of 60, free access to Genesis framework and 35+ StudioPress themes, built-in development, preparation, and production environments, free backups, and built-in chasing free SSL and CDN, enterprise-class WordPress security, 24/7 support from WordPress experts, and the cons are no email hosting included, some WordPress plugins are blocked, and premium pricing is not for everyone. Next one is DreamHost. DreamHost is a service known for providing options that meet the needs of a wide range of users. The company has over 25 years of experience in the web hosting niche and offers shared VPS, WordPress, dedicated, and cloud web hosting options. Support is available around the clock via chat and phone. An existing knowledge base is available for DIY troubleshooting as well as user forum. DreamHost offers unmatched bandwidth and 99.9% uptime. Customers can also access WordPress migration services, web design, WooCommerce hosting, and other services for additional costs. So the pros are really friendly customer service, excellent uptimes, and plenty of web building options. Cons, lack of cPanel. That's it. Now you know all the pros and cons of each hosting company from the top 10 list. As I promised, I want to share with you special discounted prices for our trusted companies that you can find in the description panel of this video with the links. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this was really useful. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.